We got wildlife in there. Do you see it? What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here with my lovely assistant. Do you want to say hi, Harper? Say hello.
Hi.
All right, so when trying to find the perfect windshield for you on your motorcycle, usually right here between your nose and your upper lip is that perfect level that you're going to want in order to get the perfect amount of wind going up and over your head instead of that wind blasting you straight in the face. Today, what Harper's holding up is the National Cycle VStream windshield. Bring that over here, Harps. So what's going to happen is this 390 Adventure actually has an adjustment where you can have this shield in the lower position or the upper position. It's currently in the lower position. We're going to remove one single 4mm Allen key there. And that's going to be able to move it up to about this level here. So I've got lots of riding footage, about 2,000 miles so far of it with the stock screen. Is the short windscreen, which is about this tall, that I took off this machine, had great wind protection for my chest. I didn't get that wind beating on my chest when I was riding down the road. But I did get full wind up on my face shield of the helmet. Just a full blast of wind directly into the windscreen. Well, there's Universal Studios. It's pretty cool. I see a Minion over there at the very top. So today, Harper and I are going to swap out the stock screen for this National Cycle VStream windshield. So this screen right here, if I put my hand up, I can start to feel dirty air right here. Now the trajectory of that air though comes up and it just barely grazes the front of my peak visor. It's not really affecting it at all, but it does kind of graze it right there. So I'm having relatively clean air into this point, and then it's probably about my eyebrows or so is when I can start to feel the dirty air as I put my hand just above my helmet. So the first step, I'm gonna come over here. Come on over, Harps. Hello, Baron boy, how are you? Okay, we're gonna put this in here. Okay, Harper, let's twist this. Let's crack it loose. There you go. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice, we're almost there, I feel it. Okay, now we're gonna take this off. Just like that. Whoa, that was easy, huh, Harps? All right, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and keep this screw because we're going to reuse this. We're going to reuse this whole set of hardware here. So what's going to happen is National Cycle does a really good job at giving you all of the instructions that you need to make this process as simple and as easy as possible. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our 3mm Allen key. We're going to swap it in place. Hey, Baron, do you want to help me over here? Okay, go ahead and twist this. Okay, so now you're going to put it in here.
Guys, you know you're in a video.
Twist. No, other way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There you go. Okay, now we're going to detach this. Now there's actually 6 tabs, I believe, that hold this stock plastic piece in place. We need to be very careful when removing these tabs from the back of this mounting plate or shield, if you will. So we're going to go and pop these out. So what I'm talking about is right here. There's a tab here on either side. Can you see those, Baron? Holy cow! Look at that. We got wildlife in there. Do you see it? Can you see the spider crawling around? Check him out. Right here. Oh my goodness. Here he is. Ah!
Don't touch him, Daddy. It's a spider.
Not came out onto the ground. Okay, cool. So taking a look at the shield again, we have these 2 tabs right here. We're going to slide those up, and then we have 2 tabs here on the bottom of the shield. So we're just going to push these lightly, and we're going to wiggle the tab, kind of break it free. I was watching an installation video from National Cycle earlier today. They actually suggested potentially using a flat blade screwdriver. All right, so now we have a little screwdriver here. Who needs to help me with the screwdriver? All right, let's have you put the little screwdriver right down in that little hole right here. And we're going to wiggle it. We're going to push this down.
London.
And while you're pushing that down, I'm going to pull up.
Put it down. And this is Balin.
Let me see this side. All right, are these little tabs being challenging, London?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're doing a good job of getting that little screwdriver in there, though. Oh, just stabbed myself. Move your hand real quick. Let me see.
Daddy.
There we go. Look at
I
that.
have lots of ouchies.
So if we take this screwdriver and we go in from the back side and we just wiggle this sideways just a little bit. There we go. Check it out. All right. So now you can see we just stuck the screwdriver right here, wiggled it sideways like that. That allowed us to pop these two pieces off. There we go. It's off. So now that that screen is off, what's wrong, Lennon, though? She wants to wear the microphone. Okay. Can we swap it over to London now, please?
Give me a shirt.
Okay, let me see your shirt. And then look in the camera and tell us what you're doing.
I'm helping Daddy.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
You don't even know what we're doing? Say, today we're installing a National Cycle VStream windshield. Can you say that? Say, today we're installing a National Cycle VStream windshield.
I don't know how to say
You don't know how to
that.
say all those words? Okay, looks like.
Looks
All right,
like.
so these two pieces of hardware, the only extra pieces of hardware that National Cycle supplies,
Uh-oh.
they're just going to pop into the two rubber grommets that are here. We're going to take this little grommet right here and we're going to put it into this hole right here.
Okay. Now I'm just going to screw it up.
Okay, before we screw it though, we're going to use this one. It's going to go right in here. And this one, it's going to go right over here. Okay, we're going to use this. Let's push this in. And we're going to screw these to the
I'm going to
right.
do this on my own.
Go to the right. Okay, go to the right. Wrong way, that's the left. Go this way. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Now these are going to be snug but not super tight. We're just going to get them to just snug down in. Okay, let's move to this side. And now we're going to go spin, 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 spin.
I'm good at doing this.
You are really good at doing this. Okay, just going to put a couple more spins on here. Not super tight. All right, now we're going to take this and we're going to set it in one of two locations. We now have the upper location. It's going to be right about the bottom of my chin, and the lower location, which will be right about here. I'm going to go ahead and ride with it in a lower position for a couple days. Give you guys some feedback while out there on the road. As I put my hand in front of my face, trying to feel where that dirty air is at. So with this current setup, I'm still getting some dirty air that's rushing across the top of my helmet. That's the wind noise that you can hear inside the helmet. Now we're doing 80 miles an hour right now. I should be able to go back to another previous video with the stock screen in roughly the same area, going about the same speed. And you should be able to hear the difference in the amount of wind that's hitting the helmet. Give you guys some feedback while out there on the road, and then we'll raise it back up again to complete out this video so you can hear just what happens to that wind flow or airflow as we travel down the road. Hey London, thank you for helping me today.
Yeah.
Do you want to say goodbye to our people?
Goodbye.
Say thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Until next time,
Until next time.
take care
Take care
and ride safe.
and ride safe.
There we go. So now
Ah!
uh-oh.
Oh, we have a windstorm.
We have a windstorm. Can we go pick up the other piece that's blowing away over there?
I got the instructions. Ah! It's blowing away again.
There you go, just a couple of screws. We've taken our wind protection from this level right here and just added about 7.5 inches to the top of it. Go ahead and ride with this for a couple of days and give you guys an idea of the effect that this is having on my commute. And then I'll go ahead and raise this up into the upper position so you can see what maximum protection looks like. Thank you guys for watching. This here is the National Cycle VStream windshield for the KTM 390 Adventure. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.